It's time for Horenda's Agenda, Bill's reflections on sports and life.
Watching the Grizzlies win over the Cavs on Monday night, it dawned on me. During crunch time, offenses were running through the bigs. Jonas, Valunciunas, and Drummond respectively, until the coup de grace, a Dillon Brooks three-pointer. The importance of centers in the league has come into question with the proliferation of the three. Interesting. Nikola Jokic leads the league in assists and triple-doubles. Joel Embiid scored 45 in the Sixers' overtime win over Miami on Tuesday night. James Wiseman's development, battling league-leading block shot artist Myles Turner, the previously mentioned Joker, and Chris Boucher is riveting. By the way, Boucher has scored 20 or more in 3 of his last 4 via 65% from the floor, up from career averages of 7 and 49%. Christian Wood inspires all undrafted players, scoring 27 and securing 15 rebounds in the revamped Rockets win at San Antonio last night. Without scratching the surface on their defensive impact, those are just a few observations. The rumors of my demise have been highly exaggerated, Mark Twain said, and so it can be said of big men in the NBA. I'm Bill Horenda.
You can follow Bill on Twitter at Bill Horenda.